Here.
This would have been a real doozy. This could have been the end of my life.
Here, hand me the board.
Using the board. I cannot to get me up.
I'm trying to make a path. Is it working?
Oh. Here, give me your hand, Bree. I'll videotape me pulling you up. Here. I got my foot in pretty good, I think. Like. Here, wait, re-grab.
Let me get a little higher.
Here. Here, grab onto me, would you? Jen, come videotape this shit. Here, grab onto me. Like, hook your arm, kind of. If you can. Dive up, because I got my right foot in pretty good. There we go.
Oh, thank God.
Okay, let's pull Allie.
Holy crap, that's dangerous.
What?
That's dangerous.
No shit, I could have been the end of my life. All because I want to try snowboarding.
Smile for the camera.
Oh my God, that was like the hardest thing.
Allie, smile so I can end the video.